So guys, I was feeling a little bit depressed today, so we went out and bought an old SLK. So off the bat, we can see there's a bit of damage to the bumper, but I mean guys, this thing is how old? 1999. I mean, just, yeah, that lens is, no, it's not, it's all faded, but it's stuff we can fix, and we can repaint that black pieces and make it all look new. The bumper seems to not be lining up properly. We'll investigate that. Yeah, you can see some more evidence. I don't know, we'll check what's happening there. Yeah, they look a little bit different, but this side the bumper at least lines up better. The side needs that strip there. That is a bit broken, and underneath it looks a little bit broken, but the jack points are there. The rims have a bit of scratches. This one looks pretty decent. It's missing an aerial. The roof doesn't work. This room's got a couple of scratches at the top. Doesn't look too bad. This side room doesn't look too bad. Wow. Again, the strip there is missing, and the K on the compressor is missing. Jack points are all there still. Nice. Back room looks fine. It needs a respray. White everywhere doesn't quite match. The tail, sorry guys, let me just pull that forward. There we go. So you can see the trunklet is either faded, whatever, the compressor badge is missing. Now the two tail lights I can smoke up. And yeah, like I said, the roof don't work, but let's dig into this car. Let's start by the engine. I must say, the jack points, it's awesome on this car. So opening the engine, it's fucking dirty in here, but the strap works. This tappet cover can do with some refurbishing, but everything looks to be here. It doesn't look too much abused. We found the one, it looks like it's got more than one belt. Just now on the way here, the one belt was squeaking, so we need to check that. It seems like the alternators and the aircon's not even connected. Okay, but that's weight reduction, my opinion. So yeah, I bought it cheap. Hope I can create some content for you guys. And then underneath the car, we've got some wetness here. We'll clean the engine obviously and investigate that, but yeah, there you can see the aircon is not even connected. It's got no underbody covers. What the fuck is this? Okay, this is where they towed it, obviously. That's not a good sign. You shouldn't be towing these things. There's a bit of wetness. Is that a water pipe leaking? Can't see any. It's just there, wet. Yeah, let's move on. The gearbox changes, okay. There's some covers missing. Look, this car is 20, what years old? 25. How's my maths, guys? These joints, they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. But there is, maybe just needs wheel alignment. These shocks, it feels it needs shocks. But the car is pulling to the one side. Again, some other undercarb covers missing. We'll check all of this properly once we get to that. But yeah, suspension wise, she doesn't look bad. The exhaust sounds like it's leaking somewhere. That's a thin pipe coming out of there. We'll have to upgrade this exhaust. It's leaking and it's missing some. What the fuck is that? Yeah, it's leaking. Why do they ground the exhaust? And it's hanging. It's not even connected to the support. Those look not too bad. Those all look not too bad. There's nice spider webs there. Everything looks easily accessible. What the fuck? Some accumulator. But yeah, she sounds like her. Mechanically, I don't think there's too much work to it. But yeah, we'll go through everything and check it out. There's another strap not connected for some reason. I think we need a whole new exhaust. So the boot, still old school, turn the key and push it. And easy lift. Inside looks very clean. Yeah, there's obviously dirt everywhere, but I don't see any visible rust spots anywhere. Fucking amazing. Apparently there is a bit of oil leakage there. I don't know where it can come from, but that's part of the roof probably. We'll investigate later. That goes back fine. Hey, there's a medic kit. There's some covers missing. And maybe there's the pump, the notorious pump that fucks out. Have fucked out. Lift the carpet. Got a spare wheel and no jack. What is this? That's So the central locking ain't working, so I can only open the door from the inside. So let's get to the driver's side. Again, it needs some cleaning to do. The seat is a bit torn and I don't know how to operate it properly yet. On the dash, they repainted the dash and did a cock job. Something that I would do. This button is a bit funny. The handle for the bonnet catch is funny. I don't have the code for this thing. Code, I don't know what it is. Somehow we'll have to figure that out. The cup holders are looking fine. This handle needs replacement. This is also needs to be mended. Again, the passenger seat has got a tear, and guys, it's a bit sweaty smell in here. I didn't get a book with it. Oh shit, no book. Yeah, everything else looks fine. The windows also, they work, but I'm sure when you close the door, they need to go down first of all, and then when you close the door, they go up. That one doesn't do it. See this one? This one closes a lot better. It doesn't move up and down like I suspect, but it closes a lot better. Look how cocked this one closes. See, it sits outside. Doesn't go where it should. Maybe I should just open the window a little bit. But in any case, guys. So the key for the SLK didn't want to work. So we opened it. It opens fairly easy. We opened it and we found those two little pins there were bent in, so it wasn't making contact with the top of the battery. We're obviously putting new batteries in. The old ones are sitting at 2.5 volts, so they're flat. Hold on. Okay, there we go, back together. Then it still didn't do anything, so YouTube helped us. We push the unlock button twice, then we have 30 seconds to switch the ignition on. I missed it, the indicator flashed, and we wait a couple of seconds, unlock the switch off the car, and now it locks and unlocks. One tap unlocks one door, two taps unlocks both doors. I don't know, can you guys see the little button there? But in any case, it's working. It's working. Nice, eh? Thank you guys for watching the channel. Please click the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment if you may. We'll see you next time. Cheers.